Buddy Steve here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, checking out a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This is a legend. Top selling boat of all time. It's got a 60 horsepower Mercury, solid foam filled hull. This boat can do it and go anywhere. Solid. You've got some neat features on here too for entertaining. You can add cushions to the back next to that Boston Whaler bucket, and with the seat flipped up, you've got a little area there where you can eat, entertain or talk and have lunch. Got a great console with storage inside, stainless steel bimini top. Just a great size. This has the lower handrails, so it's a lot more fishable. You're not going to get your line caught up as easily. Of course I do, but it'd probably be easier for you. Great colored hull. Comes with a trailer. Gotta love that handrail around the windshield. And this boat is available now. Give me a call. I'm Steve at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. My number is 850-358-0908. Thanks a lot.